All right, so I'm back, and basically I'm gonna make my videos more and more streamlined. All my projects in one, and so when I make my videos, I'm just gonna have it all in one because I'm a bit lazy. So right here is my Stompa. I added the light for his eye. And it's a beautiful day. I figure I do the video outside, so that way you can see my shed is full of junk. So all right, Gorkanaut, Morkanaut. All right, I'm coming over here to my battle wagons. I'm gonna tell you a little bit of them. Let me get this thing set up. It was a little windy and it came falling down. You know what? You see what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna leave that one like that. So this one is, I'm gonna call it the bang bus. Yeah, so the front is the bus, as you can see. This one was actually my original. I think I had 8 of them, and this is the only one left. So I figured why not modify my original work, and I did a lot of work to it. So made him, or this one, unique to the ones that I gave out. But I'm still working on them. I want to do a little bit more improvement, but it's coming out really good. Put a huge cannon in the middle. And then this one, it's a working project, but yeah, you know what it is. I'm not, so it's towel, and so it's like, kind of like flying. You got the hover thing, has a little hatch on the bottom. All 3 of my battle wagons, unique, different. And that's it.